Hey guys, welcome back to OK Gen Z. In today's video, we've got my friend's BMW F30 3 Series. We're going to basically attempt to change these front kidney grills from the original silver to these black ones my friend's bought from where, sorry?
CKS Performance.
CKS Performance. So these are literally plug and play. You just take these ones off, fit these ones in, and they should look much better. Cool. So they cost about £35–40. You can buy them from different places, but he's bought them from CKS Performance, so we're going to link that down below. But what we're going to do is kind of have a go first with one of them. So if we break anything, we break it off camera, and then once we have the process down, we'll walk you through it, so hopefully you can do it as well. Alright guys, so we got the grill out with a few broken parts, so we're gonna show you what not to do basically. So what we were doing was just pulling on the tabs and trying to force it out, and that broke the clips. So we have 3 clips on the bottom, 1 on each side and 3 at the top. Now Arif's going to demonstrate basically these clips on the actual grill is what we're trying to unclip to take the original grill out. These clips here were the clips on the original grill that we broke. So this is going to be a little demonstration on how you should actually try and take it out. It's easier said than done, but I hope this makes sense. Go on, Arif.
So you push up on the tab. Obviously there's a grill in the way. You push up on the tab and try and force it through that gap, and that way it's loose. And when that happens, easy said than done.
Yeah. So
when that happens, it'll sit loose like this, and when you finally do it to all the tabs, you can just pull the grill out.
Yeah. So when you're working on the bottom ones with your finger from the inside, right? There's a tab that's on the bottom, so you want to get underneath the clip, push that clip up and push towards yourself. So you get your finger underneath the clip, lift it and push towards yourself. I hope that makes sense. And then of course the opposite from the top. So can you just show the top as well? So we have one stuck broken clip there.
So the tab is on the top, on the top side. Push down on the tab and you pull towards you and it'll just pop out.
That's right. So your fingers this time go above the tab, press down on the little clip from the top, and I guess push or pull towards you, basically this way, right? Cool. So we're gonna try, I don't know, do we want to clean this up and then put the new grill in just to see how it looks, or do you want to get this side off as well?
To get that side off because you have so much reach in.
Cool. All right, so he's attempting now to take off this grill. So same procedure. We have 8 tabs, and I can't really recommend which side to start with. Have I just been covering the mic all this time? I hope not. It's a mission. I know some YouTube videos make it look so easy, but it really isn't. Oh, you got the top off already? Oh, nice. He did break a clip, by the way. It wasn't perfect, but there we are. I think he's got the procedure down. So yeah, with the bottom ones, get your finger below it, lift up on the tab and push the tab towards you. Oh shit. I mean, oh good. Beautiful, nice work. How many did you break?
1.
Just 1. I think we broke that earlier, actually, experimenting.
Yeah, that wasn't even now. That was earlier.
Nice. So I think all we're gonna do now is put those to rest, clean this kidney grill. What do you call this? Area. So then the new one fits in nice and snug. All right. So we have some rubbing alcohol. You don't really need it. You can use wet wipes or whatever. But whilst we have it, we're just gonna use it. So just dab some up and then clean it on. Because it's just plastic clips, you don't really need to clean the surface. It's not like you need to glue it on, but may as well while you're at it. Okay, well, I don't think it's very exciting looking at a man rub alcohol on his car. So once this step's done, you'll see the next part. So that's cleaned up as much as we can be bothered, and now the exciting part.
Don't show me.
Oh shit. Well, I showed you now. Go on, bro. This is what the people have been waiting for. The one view I might have. Wow, that's so much better. Yeah. Hold the chrome one on the don't slot it back in obviously, but hold it there so we can see what a difference it makes. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's so much more aggressive, man. So much cleaner as well. All right, and put the last one in. Beautiful. Look at that. All right, job's a good one. Hope that helped. Drop a like, share, subscribe. Yeah, until the next one. See you guys. Bye bye.